What if you could tap into a state of mind where your brain waves slow, your body relaxes deeply, and your subconscious mind becomes wide open, ready for healing, learning, and transformation? Welcome to the fascinating world of hypnotherapy and the Theta brainwave state. Many people think hypnosis is mysterious or even magical, but science tells us it's a natural state we all enter multiple times a day, whether you realize it or not. In this video, we'll explore what hypnotherapy really is, how the Theta brainwave state works, and why this combination is so powerful for change. If you've ever driven somewhere and suddenly realized you don't remember parts of the trip, or gotten lost in a daydream, you've already experienced a form of hypnosis. This natural state is exactly what hypnotherapists guide you into during a session. One of the best ways to get familiar with this state is through guided hypnosis meditation. If you're curious about what it feels like to enter the Theta brainwave state, I invite you to try my guided hypnosis meditation linked in the description. It's a gentle introduction that allows you to experience this deeply relaxed, focused state for yourself. So, what exactly is the Theta brainwave state? And why does it matter? Our brains operate at different frequencies depending on what we're doing. When we're wide awake and alert, our brain waves are fast, known as beta waves. When we're relaxed but awake, alpha waves take over. Theta waves are slower, deeper rhythms that occur in light sleep, deep meditation, and yes, hypnosis. This slower wave pattern is associated with creativity, profound relaxation, and access to the powerful subconscious mind. It's a gateway state where your brain is highly receptive to new information, rewiring, and healing. Think of the subconscious mind as a vast, invisible control center running over 90% of your mental processes. It stores every experience, memory, and belief, even the ones you don't consciously remember. Hypnotherapy works by accessing this hidden part of your mind, gently bypassing the critical, conscious ego that often blocks change. Unlike talk therapy, which relies on conscious awareness and intellectual insight, hypnotherapy taps into the subconscious where real patterns and emotional wounds live. This is why hypnotherapy can create breakthroughs where other methods stall. But how does hypnotherapy actually do this? During a session, a hypnotherapist guides you into a focused, relaxed state. Your brain waves shift naturally toward theta. In this state, your subconscious becomes more accessible, and your mind opens to positive suggestions, reframing, and healing. Imagine revisiting an old memory or pattern, not with fear or pain, but with clarity and empowerment. Hypnotherapy allows you to do just that, to see the original moment behind a fear, a habit, or a block, and to rewrite how it affects you today. Many clients come to hypnotherapy struggling with stress, anxiety, or limiting beliefs. Often, the root cause is a buried fear or trauma that the conscious mind can't fully access. In trance, the subconscious mind can bring this cause to light, allowing healing to begin. Here's a simple example. Someone afraid of public speaking might have a subconscious memory of being laughed at as a child. Hypnotherapy helps them revisit that moment with adult awareness, reframe it, and release the emotional charge that fuels their fear. The science backs this up. Studies show that Theta brainwave activity increases during hypnosis, meditation, and deep relaxation. This state enhances neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and form new connections. It's like your brain is primed for learning and growth. What does this mean for you? It means hypnotherapy isn't just about relaxing or being hypnotized. It's a powerful tool to unlock your brain's natural capacity for healing and transformation. Whether you want to overcome anxiety, break unhealthy habits, or simply find deeper peace, hypnotherapy opens this door. Curious to try for yourself? Guided Hypnosis Meditation is a wonderful way to start. You don't need a therapist present to experience the benefits of Theta state. My guided meditation, linked below, gently leads you into this state, helping you relax, breathe, and open your mind. With regular practice, you can train your brain to enter this healing state more easily, supporting your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Before we wrap up, let's clear up a few common myths about hypnotherapy. Myth number 1: you lose control during hypnosis. Truth: you are always fully aware and in control. Hypnosis is a collaborative process. You can open your eyes or stop anytime. Myth number 2: hypnosis is mind control or magic. Truth: hypnosis is a natural state of focused attention. No one can make you do anything against your will. Myth number 3: hypnotherapy works instantly or for anyone. Truth: change takes time and practice, but many people notice shifts even after one session. To truly benefit from hypnotherapy, consistency and openness are key. The more you practice entertaining the Theta state, the more you empower your subconscious to release old patterns and embrace new ones. Remember, your mind is incredibly powerful. Hypnotherapy simply helps you access that power with intention and care. If you want to explore this further, don't forget to try my guided hypnosis meditation, linked in the description. It's the perfect introduction to experiencing the Theta brainwave state for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more educational content, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Your support helps me create more videos to help you unlock your mind and live your best life. Until next time, stay curious, Stay open and trust the power within you.